I talk a lot about building a wardrobe that lasts on this channel, and you know that a lot of my clothes, bags and shoes in my wardrobe are actually more than 5 years old, and a lot of you ask me how I do it. Well, investing in high quality clothes made of durable fabrics is one thing, but there is another important thing to consider to ensure longevity of your wardrobe, and it's taking care of your clothes, shoes and accessories properly. So doing so can extend their lifespan and keep them looking fresh. And here are some essential tips that I've been following for many years. Always check the care labels for instructions on how to wash, dry and iron your clothes. Different fabrics have different needs, and if you're not familiar what symbols mean, simply Google it and you will have plenty of information. When I wash my clothes, I usually separate them by color and fabric. Wash whites, darks and colors separately to prevent bleeding. Delicate fabrics like silk or wool should be washed separately from tougher fabrics like denim, for example. You can also use a mesh laundry bag to protect delicate items like washable silk or lace. Cold water is gentler on moist fabrics and prevents shrinkage and color fading. I would definitely advise using gentle detergent, especially for delicate or natural fabrics, as using a mild detergent helps preserve the fibers. Treat stains as soon as you can to avoid setting them. I've been also using stain remover for many years and it works quite well for me. If you can, avoid excessive washing. In fact, washing clothes too frequently can wear them out. Air out lightly worn clothes and only wash them when necessary. I usually air dry my clothes to prevent shrinkage, extend the life of elastics, especially in the items like underwear or leggings, but it's also so much more gentle on the fabric. I had a few items that shrinked in the past, so I really try to avoid tumble dry. But if you really need to tumble dry, use low heat to avoid damaging fibers or shrinking clothes. Ironing your clothes inside out can prevent shiny marks, especially on darker fabrics. Make sure to use appropriate setting for the fabric, for example low heat for delicate fabrics like silk or high heat for cotton. But to be completely honest, when it comes to delicate fabrics, I really prefer to steam my clothes. Steaming your clothes can actually help remove wrinkle without direct heat contact, which is gentle on the fabric. Steaming your clothes can have several benefits. Not only does steaming reduce wrinkles, but it can also help eliminate bacteria and reduce odors. Heavy items like sweaters should be folded to avoid stretching. Lighter items can be hung on padded hangers to keep their shape. I like using velvet hangers for clothes made of slippery fabrics, and I also like that they don't take a lot of space in my small wardrobe. When it comes to storing my bags, I put the bags inside their original dust bags or pillowcases to protect them from dust, dirt and sunlight. And by the way, I followed similar guidance when it comes to the storage of my shoes. I keep them in their original dust bags or boxes when not in use to protect them from dust and moisture. Avoid storing your items in plastic bags as this can trap moisture and lead to mold. So be mindful how you store your items, and they will serve you for years to come. And I hope you guys found these tips useful. These practices really help me maintain the longevity and quality of my clothes, shoes and accessories.